Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a video that I've been super pumped to create for you guys. It is my wardrobe essentials. But first, if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. And also don't forget to hit the little bell button. That will let you guys know no matter when I upload a video, you'll get a notification. I think you just get an email. It's really simple. Hit that one over there and that would mean so much to me. I wanted to create this video for a while now because I'm always getting asked how I put outfits together and like what my kind of logic is behind different outfits. And what I realized is I have a really solid base. So I have wardrobe essentials that I kind of combine with new pieces and kind of the real structure of my closet. So what I thought I would create is my must-have wardrobe essentials, things that you can buy in all different price ranges. You can pick whatever you want to invest in or you might want to spend a little bit less on, but they're things that I just really couldn't live without. So I'm not going to ramble too much because there's a lot to get through. So let's get into it. So kicking things off, my number one essential has to be a leather jacket. Now I have lived in leather jackets, worn leather jackets in the day, night, over jeans and a t-shirt, over dresses, dressed up, dressed down. I have lived in them for so long. I've honestly had so many amazing leather jackets over the years. I've had really cheap ones from H&M and River Island, and then about a year ago I was very lucky to receive a All Saints Val Fern jacket for a Christmas present, and I was over the moon because it just has the most amazing feel and they wear so amazingly. It honestly is better now than when I first got it. When I first got it, it was kind of stiffer and the leather's really softened and worn. I love the Acne leather jackets on kind of the next price point up. Stunning. If you find a leather jacket that fits you, you will literally live in that thing. All Saints do so many different kind of colours and washes. I have the simple black, which I honestly just throw on with everything, and it makes everything look that much cooler, a bit more styled, and yeah, I don't know what I would do without it. Okay, next up for me is a great ankle boot. Now I have gone through so many ankle boots over the years. I really like Zara boots. They fit me really well and they wear really well. I had a pair of tan ankle boots that I honestly wore till they fell apart, and I had them for years. So they were probably like £35 or something, and honestly I had them for so long. They were such a good investment. Topshop have great boots. I recently just got a pair from Forever 21. These ones are kind of pointed and shiny and I really like them. I wear them all the time. I also have a pair of Steve Madden ones that I've worn kind of for festivals over the last couple of years, and they're just so comfy and well worn in. I love ankle boots because I feel like they look great with jeans and with dresses. Find one that kind of cuts you in the right place. So for me, anything too high on the leg looks a bit kind of like off because I've got shorter legs and I need kind of that elongation. I like something that's quite fitted. Sock boots are amazing. There's so many sock boots right now. I would say if you're going to buy a sock boot, don't go for the Balenciaga knife boots. I've had so many people tell me that they all like fray and fall apart. Try Public Desire. They have so many amazing ones and they're sort of super fitted and they look great. And let's be honest, sock boots are probably only going to be in style for another year or so, so get them while they're hot and get them cheap. And I think having a pair of really good ankle boots will see you right. Okay, on to jeans. Jeans are such an obvious one, but I have become a real fan of specific fits of jean, and if I'm being honest, used to hate jeans, and I'm sure there's many of you out there that are just like, oh, hate jeans, don't wear them. But for me, it was really about finding a comfortable, practical fit that I felt like. For me, the biggest problem I had was the kind of rise. It was either too high-waisted and looked kind of funny on me, or I had this kind of lower rise and it felt like uncomfortable, and I don't really know how to explain it, but where they sit, there's a comfort level in that kind of crotch to waist area. They have to feel comfortable, otherwise you're just not going to wear them. I have a pair of jeans from Madewell that I have honestly worn to death. They had rips in when they started, but they have just completely fallen apart. They're black skinnies and I wear them day and night and they're just comfortable. They feel amazing. I feel like I'm like held in like a good way. They don't feel uncomfortable or tight. I love Madewell also do some amazing like flared jeans at the moment. Much more fashion jean, less an essential, but they're also so cute. The other type of jean, other than a skinny jean, which I would say is a definite wardrobe essential for me, is a boyfriend jean. Now, obviously these have been in style for a very, very long time, and they're kind of like a vintage item. I have some amazing Levi's ones that I honestly wear all the time. They're my like go-to weekend jean or my kind of dressed up jean. I love them. Throw them on with a pair of heels and a cute top and a leather jacket, and you can wear them out in the evening, or throw them on with some sneakers and a t-shirt and you're good to go for the day. I absolutely love my boyfriend jeans, and yeah, I don't know what I would do without them. This next essential might just be one for me, but it's something that I really value in my wardrobe, so I thought I would mention it, and that is over-the-knee boots. I spent a lot of time searching for a great over-the-knee boots. I have very short and slim legs, so that can be an issue when looking for over-the-knee boots. You can get this like weird kind of excess calf that you don't fill. They can look a bit strange on, and I spent a really long time finding the perfect ones. Stuart Weitzman ones are amazing. They're obviously so expensive. Like I mentioned before, Zara do some amazing boots. They tend to fit me pretty well, but the ones I live in are these ones from Hobbs. These probably don't exist anymore, but I'll try and find something similar to link down below. These were on the pricier side. I think they were around £400 when I bought them, but I had a gift card and I had a discount and it was amazing. I picked them up for I think like 200, which was so good. They're suede, they like hug my legs so perfectly. They have a tiny platform, so they're really comfortable. I just love these, and I know I will forever wear them. They're so comfortable and so practical, and I just love them so much. I honestly style them up with so many different outfits. I've worn them over jeans, over leggings, I've worn them with dresses, as skirts. They're just amazing, and yeah, I have to give them a mention in my essentials because I live in them. Okay, next up, some nude heels. Now, this is obviously a very broad topic. Nude heels could be anything from a closed toe, peep toe, you could get of a point. I have some pointed nude lace-up heels from River Island that I got probably 2 years ago, and they're amazing. I love them so much. I'm looking for a new version. If you guys know any, please let me know in the comments down below. I live in these shoes. They're so comfortable. They're a great like day to night shoe. I've worn them for so many different things, and they look great with jeans, with dresses, and I always am reaching for them because they just look good with so many things. However, they are old and they are a bit worn, and I'd really like to find some new ones. So if you guys know any, definitely let me know. I think Steve Madden might do some. If the River Island ones aren't available, which I don't think they will be, I will be sure to find something similar and link it down below. But yeah, nude heels are something that just will be a lifesaver in your closet. Find a pair that's comfortable, that's the main thing. I would say Topshop, Zara, River Island, and Steve Madden all do great affordable shoes that actually are comfortable and wear really well. They're kind of in that mid price point. They're not really cheap, but they're not expensive, and if you find a pair in there in the kind of nude heel space, then you're gonna wear them for years to come. Okay, sneakers. This might be a super obvious one, and it's obviously a very trendy shoe at the moment. Sneakers have kind of come in over the last year or so, and now everyone's wearing them, but finding a good comfy sneaker that like looks fashionable and stylish can be a little bit of a challenge. I don't mean, you know, your regular hiking, running, workout, gym shoes. I mean like a cool white, something that will go with lots of things. I have a couple of pairs that I absolutely love. I have a pair from Timberland, which, yes, Timberland, which have a really cool thick sole, so it means they are really absorbing and I can wear them for hours. I wear them to fly in all the time because you know how your feet expand. They're so comfortable, and they have like a kind of snaky print on them. They're so comfy. I wear them with so many things. They look great with jeans as they kind of have that bit more dressed up look. And I've repeatedly bought sneakers from Zara. I have these ones right now, which I have been filming a what I wore in a week. If that is already up, I'll be sure to link it somewhere, and if not, watch out for that, it's coming very soon. I wear these sneakers all the time. They are very well worn at this point, but they're really comfortable. I like the fact that they're white with the studs with the leopard print. It kind of gives the sneaker a little bit more interest rather than it just being like a plain old white something. I also do have plain white ones that I kind of mix in, but having a great sneaker that you can like dress up and dress down, I think it's totally acceptable at this point to wear like a cute dress, sneakers, and like a leather jacket to wear out in the evening. And yeah, these ones have been a firm favourite for me, so get yourself a great pair of comfortable sneakers. Okay, next on to something that you guys are probably going to be like, obviously that's an essential, Electra. It is t-shirts. Now I have some great simple white tees that honestly get more washed than anything else in my wardrobe. I love wearing like a simple t-shirt and jeans. I also have some great like denim skirts and printed skirts and detailed skirts, and having just a simple tee that you can either tie in a knot or tuck in, I think is a must-have. For me, it's all about the feel of the t-shirt, so if it's that like kind of soft stretch jersey, I really like it. I personally get a lot of my t-shirts from like Forever 21, Cotton On, your basics, H&M. They often have really nice soft ones. Oh, I have an amazing grey t-shirt from Aerie that is the softest. Oh my god, it's like sleeping, it's like being in pajamas. I love it so much. I wear it all the time. It looks great with just like my boyfriend jeans and leather jacket, or like I said, I can whack it on with this really cute denim skirt that I have. It always looks great. You can tie it. It's just such a great t-shirt. Find one that is soft and comfy and you'll wear it to death. So this next one I wanted to kind of combine into one. It is a great day dress and a great night dress, and this could also be a jumpsuit for you or a romper for you, depending on what you like to wear. I love dresses and I also love rompers, so I kind of have things that work in these both categories. For me, I love for day dresses to have something that's jersey and comfortable. You want something in your wardrobe that you can just throw on and feel great in. I have this grey one that's a really soft jersey. It's like high necked, fitted, but like has a big knot in the middle, so if you're having kind of a PMSy day, you can kind of cover that if you're bloated or whatever. I love this dress. It's like soft and just feels really nice on. I think having an amazing dress like that in your closet that just, you know, you can reach for, you know it looks great, you can dress it up and down for like meetings or kind of daytime events, and also throw it on with some trainers and it looks great. I think having a dress in your closet like that is so essential. And then on the flip side, having an evening dress that again, you know you can go to. Maybe it's an LBD or something with a little bit more going on, but a dress that you just feel like so comfortable in. You could wear it to a dinner party or to kind of a night out, but you're not gonna have to put too much thought into it. You could throw it on with your over-the-knee boots, you could wear it with a little heel, you could throw on some expensive jewelry and make it to kind of jazz it up. I think having those kind of versatile pieces in your closet really makes dressing simple and stress-free, and I know they're essential for me. And then finally, I have to mention a piece of knitwear. So I have a few knits in my closet, from like jumpers to cardigans, but really my main piece of knitwear that I reach for is my cardigan. I have a long grey wool cardigan from Forever 21 that looks so good just with like black leggings, a black t-shirt and trainers, and I throw that on, and not only is it cozy and great for traveling in, but it looks kind of chic. I feel like I look like I have thought about my outfit a lot more than I have. It also looks great with jeans, it looks great over dresses. Having a great piece of knitwear in your closet like that, I think can kind of take your style up a notch, but also give you that cozy, comfy factor, which I need in my life. And yeah, my final essential would be a great piece of knitwear. And that is it, you guys. That is my top 10 wardrobe essentials. Now, I could have gone into more accessories and things like that, but I wanted to keep it really simple, really stripped down to the things that I really need in my wardrobe. And my main tip would be to go out and find things that really fit you, flattering and comfortable, and you will live in them. As always, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you in my next one.